My name is Adeyeye Oluwatose Babatunde. I'm a student of Lagos State University, 400 level, Botany Department. On June 2nd, around 7 o'clock, a minute to 8 p.m., I and my sister, which is my stepsister, Adeyeye Rebecca, we were playing outside the public while my daddy was sitting down beside me, and my neighbors, they were with me playing, and I did a video with the girl, me kissing her with no bad intentions. After making the video, I posted it to my WhatsApp status, and a lady messaged me that I'm a rapist. Then I was like, I feel removed. Like, this is not my first time of me posting this baby girl. You know her very well. This, like, she blocked me immediately because I messaged her, and then immediately she saw it, she screen recorded it and posted it on her own WhatsApp status and posted it on social media. The lady, she's just a friend to me, a friend. My classmate, she's a friend to my classmate. So that's how we know each other, and then we exchange contact, and then we don't chat. I don't have any issue with her. Just that she posted the video, like she posted the video of which I don't have bad intentions. Because if truly I have bad intentions, I wouldn't have posted it on my WhatsApp status, and then she posted it to social media. And now I've made a video already that I'm really sorry to Nigerians for what I did, because I know what I did is so bad, and I'm very sorry for all this, because I did not know that it will be this, because of the relationship between me and my sister.